Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy, illuminating a playful monkey. He laughs, his carefree sound echoing through the jungle.
His bright eyes spot a tiny bird perched on a branch below, meticulously weaving twigs and leaves. The monkey pauses, dangling upside down, watching her. Why waste time with sticks? Come play with me, the monkey calls out. I must finish my nest before the rain comes, replies the bird, focused on her work. The jungle glistens as the rain ceases, each emerald leaf sparkling with renewed life. High in the canopy, a bird preens her vibrant feathers, a beacon of resilience against the storm's aftermath. Her keen eyes spot a shivering monkey, a stark reminder of nature's unforgiving power. The bird speaks with gentle authority. See, hard work keeps us safe. Huddled beneath a broad leaf, the monkey, now understanding the value of preparation, nods in agreement.